Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions in the Emirates application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the Travel Essentials section, click on the FAQ button. And as you can see, here are all the most frequently asked questions sectioned in different topics. So just click on the topic that you are most interested in, and as you can see, there are some very detailed answers for all kinds of specific questions. So here you will find everything that you need to know about this application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.